Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom text status column in admin order list in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now we are in order section in WooCommerce and we are going to add custom text status column for payment gateway for current orders. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in search plugin write wp code. So this is plugin wp code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see custom transaction status. So this is our custom text status column title. So you can add column title according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see here below set your target payment method ID. Now you see variable payment method ID, drag bank transfer, and this is payment gateway ID. And then you see another variable payment method ID COD, and this COD is payment gateway ID of cash on delivery. If you want to add more payment gateway, copy this line and then paste. Now change PayPal and then add PayPal payment gateway ID here like this. So you can add payment gateway IDs according to your requirement in code. Now scroll down, you see if condition, if column equal to transaction status. Now you see the order get payment method for current order. Now this is variable payment method ID. Now you see and payment gateway ID. If match this condition, then output BACS status. If order payment method is direct bank transfer, then show this status. If you want, you can add your custom code here and you can add condition. Now you see you will add your code and condition instead of this. Now scroll down, you see else if order. Now you see variable payment method ID cash on delivery. If condition match, then output COD status. If order payment gateway is cash on delivery, then display this output COD status, else display this. If you want to add more, copy this if, else if, and now paste. Now you see variable payment method ID COD. Now add PayPal and then change output. Now you see PayPal status. So if current order payment gateway is PayPal, then show this custom status PayPal. So you can add code and condition according to your requirement, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto install location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. In code you can add your custom text also. Now you see. Now go to orders page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see this is our custom column. Now you see COD status and scroll down, you see direct bank transfer status BACS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.